Perhaps you already did work with data in relational databases like MySQL or Postgres. Now the question may arise: what are the benefits of RDF compared to relational databases? Well, RDF is structuring the data in graphs consisting of nodes and edges. When modifying the data, nodes as well as edges are added or removed. Relational databases, on the other hand, are structured in tables that need a fixed table schema. The schema defines through its table columns which data can be added or removed. There, each dataset is represented through a row that can be added, removed, or get its content changed. If you want to add data to a relational database, it always must fit to its predefined database schema. Changing this database schema frequently is often difficult, especially if the database is already enriched with much data. RDF has no fixed schema that dictates how the data should be added, making it very easy to modify the graph structure. As a rule of thumb, I recommend RDF for holding and processing unstructured data or data where it is not known during runtime of the database how they are structured. I recommend relational databases if you know beforehand exactly which data will be added to the database, and changes to the schema will only occur rarely. By the way, it is not always a disadvantage to have a fixed database schema. Relational databases are, in my opinion, always the better solution than graph databases if the data structure is clear, since the fixed structure results in faster querying times. As you see, RDF is just a tool in your toolbox that you should use when appropriate. But it will not always be the appropriate solution. Sometimes relational databases might be better suited. For this reason, I often recommend hybrid data structures consisting of relational databases as well as graph databases that work together through corresponding APIs. If you want to learn more about ontologies, linked data, and the semantic web in general, I can highly recommend my Udemy course. There you will not only learn all the basics about RDF, but also about the query language SPARQL, automated inference of new information using reasoning, and developing your own ontology-based apps. You can find the link to the course in the video description.